Hello, my name is Charlie Waite and I'm a landscape photographer. The reason I'm here is to introduce to you these wonderful photographs made by some incredibly talented landscape photographers throughout the UK and elsewhere. And these images are here to celebrate the beauty, the wonder and the diverse nature of our wonderful, wonderful landscape in our wonderful country, the United Kingdom. I cannot stress enough how important the camera is to be able to provide the photographer and the viewers with images of the United Kingdom, the most beautiful landscape. But the important thing is to talk not just about that marvellous opportunity to have the exhibition, which really is critical, but to bring landscape photographs of the United Kingdom here to share with other people. And that is absolutely pivotal. Landscape Photographer of the Year began some years ago now, probably, let's say, I think maybe 16 years ago. And there's a book accompanying the competition or the award. But these photographs here are the product of very many people really, really enjoying the process of producing photographs of our wonderful, beautiful nation. And that really matters to me hugely. I'm here at Paddington Station, and Network Rail have very, very kindly provided us with this wonderful setting and others over the coming months to be able to offer these beautiful photographs, these wonderful photographs, and to share with so many people. Thank you, Network Rail, and thank you to you wonderfully talented photographers.